Okay, here we are back inside MatrixGold. If you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping by. I hope you find the video useful and helpful in your designing process. And if you're a return viewer, thanks so much for watching the content. Really appreciate the support. Really appreciate it. If you just go ahead and tap that subscribe button, hit that bell for notifications, and maybe even a like. That would be awesome. And if you're a subscriber and return viewer, the support has been absolutely amazing. Thanks for all the comments, the suggestions. We'll get to them, as many of them as possible, within the next few weeks. And really, I'm humbled. Thank you very much for all your support. Greatly appreciated. Today, I had some people kind of getting a hold of me about some issues that might be going on with your matrix. I think someone has a manufacturing tab that's missing, perhaps. Maybe someone else has some other issues. But this is kind of a very simple way to try and fix things. You can go to your preferences, of course. So go to edit and then click on your preference or any of the cog wheels, and you'll be able to pull up the preference menu. And if you go through there, if you're having an issue with a certain area, maybe the keyboards aren't working, just go ahead and reset them to default. Reset default. You can go through there and reset anything to the default. Back to the defaults, and if you're having big issues, you can go through and reset all the things to default. Rhinoceros, reset to default, right? If you're having, maybe you went back in, you did some changes in the Rhinoceros options or something like that, you can reset it. So don't worry too much about that. User interface, right? Well, you can't really intersect, but you can go to troubleshooting, right? And you can come in here, and this one will have pretty much almost all of the resets, right? First, reset the user interface, so that'll just go ahead and reset your entire interface there. This one will reset Rhino. Reset context menu, reset customized commands, all the customized commands that you added in or whatever, it'll reset everything. If one of these four or all four of them don't fix it, then you can basically come up here to reset all settings and restart. So basically you click on this and then restart, close out matrix and restart it, and everything should come back to the defaults and back to the way it was when you first loaded it. If it doesn't, what you'll need to do is maybe perhaps contact Gem Vision support, and they should be able to, or MatrixGold support, and they will be able to guide you in a direction. You can always, a lot of times they'll want to see this information, your computer and what you're using, and then sometimes maybe even your log. Yeah. So be mindful. You can always, if you do mess up something, you can come back in here and change back to your defaults if necessary. And if you have to get a hold of just send them an email, let them know your situation, and they should be able to get back with you. I think they say 24 hours or something like that, 48 hours or 24 hours, something like that. They'll answer probably, especially if it's an easy question. Be able to guide you in the area of fixing it. So I just wanted to really quickly talk about this, and one more time, just all you have to really do, any cog, just go in there, go to your troubleshooting, and then you can kind of reset back to defaults or reset everything back to defaults. Okay, so if you do change something, it's kind of messing up, you don't like it, go back, hit the defaults. If that doesn't work, go ahead, contact Gem Vision support, and hopefully they'll be able to guide you through it. All right, well, I hope it helped. Very short video, but just wanted to get that out there. So easy troubleshooting issues. Thanks for watching, and good designing, and I hope the video helped, and if it did, please hit that subscribe button. All right, thanks very much.